Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have a cool song from Linkin Park. So we love Linkin Park here. I haven't had that much of them here on this channel, but anyway, they have many great songs. This one is one of the newer, Healing Foot. So we're gonna look at that. So yeah, a little bit different from our standard, perhaps strumming or picking. We'll go a little bit with the bar chords here, but anyway, let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this one. We have 4 different chords to handle in this song. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the C sharp. All right, and since we're working with the bass notes, bass strings here from the chords, and that's the style of this song. So we're gonna yeah, we don't have to have full chords. The C here, we can go with the sus. So that is a bar now on the 4th fret from the A string and down. So all strings except from the last E here in the bass. All right, so 4th fret bar, and then the rest will be 6 on D and 6 on G, and that's enough actually for this C sharp chord. Then we have the E. All right, so it's up here. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, and that's enough. If you would like to have a full chord, okay, it's open B and open E, but we'll not go down there. All right, so we'll stick with the bass strings. Then we have the A, and in this case we're gonna go with the bar chord here. So that's a bar on the 5th fret now over all strings, and then the rest will be 7th on A, 7th on D, and that's enough. Perhaps you can also add the 6 on G, but we'll stick to these strings. All right, so that's the A, and then we have finally the B, and you take the same grip as you have in the A and just move it towards you, 2 frets, and now you land on the 7th fret with the bar finger. Everything else is the same when it comes to the pattern. That gives us 9 on A, 9 on D, and 8 on G, if you wish. So there you have the chords, guys. C sharp, E, A, and B. All right. So we have kind of 2 different ways of playing the strumming pattern. So we'll go just through the different parts, the verse and the chorus play, and even the bridge part, which is played in pretty much the same way as the chorus. Anyway, let's take a look first at the verse, okay? So the corporation there goes C sharp, E, and A. Okay, so that's the main thing. And with A, we're gonna do some technique stuff there, but we'll come to that. First, C sharp. And the pattern here when it comes to strumming will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast 5, okay? So 1 round is pause. So it's a pause and then 5 fast, and that's how it goes. So a pause, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you go over to the next chord. And this A here, that will be 2 strumming rounds, all right? So pause and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 1 round. So you play 2 rounds of the C sharp, then 2 rounds of E, and we can stop there. The A is a little bit special there, so we'll look at that soon. But first, 2 on C and 2 on E, goes like this. Yeah, sorry, just 1 on E. I said perhaps 2, it is 1 on E. So 2 on C sharp, 1 on E. All right, and then you play the A. Here you will play the first 4 downs of this 5. You will play on the A, and then on the 5th you just move it down. And this is actually a G sharp chord. I didn't bring in that one because it's just a part of this A, you can say, just moves down 1 fret like this. So you play 4 on the A and then just move your grip 1 fret down, and then you land right above the C sharp that comes right after, and that's the how it goes. All right, so you play on A like this slowly. So that will be 4 on A there, and then 1 on the G sharp if you wish, or just the bass move down here to the 4th fret, 1 step away. So slowly, 1 round on the verse goes like this. And then it goes again. So with some tempo, a couple rounds, goes like this. All right. And then when it comes to the last there, you can just slide. Actually, you don't have to play it if you don't want to. It's cool if you just slide it. That gives a little bit extra cooler sound to it. When you just hit it once here on the 4th time on A, and just slide down. You could play the 5th time as well. It's up to you, but yeah, some technique stuff there, not necessarily you have to do in that way. Just tip there. So anyway, that's how you handle the verse. And then when it comes to the chorus, you're gonna play just pretty much straight downs here. So you go with the same chords, the C sharp, all right, and then E and A. So that's the order again. So you play now 16 downs, fast downs on the C sharp, 8 on E, and 8 on A. So it goes like this. So you don't have to count, you cannot count, it goes too fast, I believe. So you have to go by feeling, but if you have that with you, you count in 4 or feel in 4, so to speak. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to practice that, take it slow from the beginning and then work your way up, and then you will feel when it's time to switch the chords. So that is basically how you handle the chorus play. And then we have this bridge part and the lyrics, no more regrets. I broke them down. That's about 2 minutes and 12 seconds into this song here. This is where we need to use our B chord as well. So you will go with the same technique there when it comes to the strumming as you used in the chorus. So just straight downs. Think like chunks of 4 downs. That is the easiest way. Now you're gonna play A to B to the C sharp. All right. So you play 2 strumming rounds on A. That means in total 8 downs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you move the same grip to the B position here. Okay, and play the same 2 rounds. That is 8 downs in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you move down to the C sharp and play 4 rounds. That is a total of 16 downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that is 1 round. Okay, you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So 2 rounds of this, it goes like this. And with some standard tempo. So 4 rounds of that, and then after the 4th round you're gonna go to E and play 2 rounds, and then A 2 rounds, and that is a bridge to the chorus that comes right after. Because remember, there's a bridge part, was A, B, and it ended on C sharp, and then the chorus goes in C sharp, E, and A. So that's why the last chord here on the 4th round is the C sharp, and then it goes over to the E, A to build into the chorus corporation, which is actually the C, E, and A. All right, and then it comes right in place for the chorus part. And then the chorus part is played till the very end of this song. So that is pretty much how I handle Linkin Park's Healing Foot. So cool to break it off sometimes with some different songs like this, with more, yeah, you know what kind of music style is this. So it differs a little bit from many
songs we did here on Gordon Guitar, but I think that's great, and it's a great band, Linkin Park. So give it a try, guys, and until next time, play tuned.